Hello. Start by carefully cutting all the wooden pieces according to the exact measurements, making sure each piece is precise and ready for assembly. Now apply the glue. I'm using white wood glue here. Then carefully place each piece together like this to begin forming the sides of the sofa structure step by step. Now cut 4 pieces using these measurements. These will be used as the legs. Then carefully glue them onto the previous structure, making sure they are well aligned. The legs are made from cedar wood for extra strength and durability. Now let's place 2 pieces in the middle. This adds a beautiful touch to the design. As you can see, we are creating unique and stylish sides for the sofa frame. Now let's move on to building the back piece of the sofa. Cut the parts according to the measurements. Then follow the same steps shown in the video to assemble everything carefully and neatly. Glue 4 pieces together as shown here. Make sure to keep even spacing between them for a clean and balanced result. Now let's move on to the base. Join 4 pieces together using glue to form a clean rectangular shape, making sure all edges are aligned properly for a strong and well-balanced structure. Now glue these 2 pieces in place as shown. Make sure they are positioned correctly, as they play an important role in supporting the structure. Later, we will place the wooden pieces on top of them to form the final base of the sofa. Now we've reached an important stage. Place the pieces like this, making sure everything fits perfectly and looks clean. If you've made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing miniature craft projects and creative woodworking ideas. Now bring all the parts together, the sides and the base. Now glue all the pieces together like this, making sure everything is aligned properly and fits perfectly to create a strong and clean final sofa structure ready for the next steps. Now we glue the back of the sofa in place. You can already see the final shape starting to come together, giving a clear idea of the finished look. Now we will use a 45-degree angle to carefully cut these pieces, making sure each cut is clean and precise for the best result. These pieces will be used as decorative elements, adding a refined and elegant touch to the miniature sofa, enhancing its overall look and giving it a more realistic and handcrafted appearance that truly stands out. Follow the same gluing method as before, always using white wood glue for a clean and strong bond. Honestly, these 45-degree cuts really elevate the work, giving it a more professional finish and making the miniature sofa look refined and carefully crafted. Now we move on to the coloring stage. This is an important step that really defines the final look. I chose an orange finish, but feel free to pick any color that matches your own style and taste. The result is honestly very satisfying, and I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback.